Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials: mic hardware, Windows input selection, and Valorant's audio tab. Once done, open Settings, go to Audio and switch voice chat to on so teammates hear you. Make sure your input device matches your headset, otherwise voice routes to speakers or a different mic. You do this now to avoid wasted rounds. Communication is the quickest path to coordination. Also verify your region or server, routing so latency or region locks don't mute team. Next, configure permissions and controls so voice works reliably. You should set a push-to-talk key if you prefer control. Press it during comms to avoid background noise. Then, make sure Windows privacy and any antivirus have microphone access allowed. Without that, Valorant can't capture sound. After that, balance voice volume and attenuation in-game so teammate audio stays clear versus game FX. These steps reduce echo, keep callouts audible, and prevent accidental team spam. Finally, test voice in a practice match or create a party to confirm levels and clarity. Join your squad, speak normally, and ask if they hear you. Adjust gain if needed. If problems persist, restart Valorant, toggle the voice settings, and reselect the input device so the client reinitializes audio. One key troubleshooting tip: check that no other app holds exclusive mic access, update drivers, and reboot. This often resolves silent mic issues and restores stable voice chat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.